Hi everyone, this is iBoysoft channel. System Restore is a built-in utility on Windows that allows you to revert your system settings and files to a previous working state, which can help you fix various system issues. This video is a tutorial on how to use System Restore and what we can do when we encounter error messages that indicate a failure of a System Restore. System Restore relies on the system protection to function, so we need to make sure the system protection is enabled on the hard drive. So we need to type in the create a restore point, and tap on the result to open, and choose the hard drive where you want to perform a system restore, and tap on the configure button, and choose turn on system protection, and click the apply and the OK button. To perform a system restore, we need to create a restore point, which refers to the system settings and the files at a specific time. Although Windows can create a restore point for you, we can manually create one. And here's how. Type in create a restore point in the Windows search bar and tap on the result. And choose the hard drive where you want to perform a system restore, and tap on the create button and input a description to help you identify the restore point, and tap on the create button. After a restore point is created, we can perform a system restore by opening the system properties window again and choose the system restore and click next. This is the place where you can choose a restore point and select one, and tap on the next button and follow the simple instructions to complete the system restore. Sometimes we may encounter error messages that prevent us from performing a system restore, like the two error messages displayed on the computer screen. So this chapter is about the solutions we can use when system restore fails. Antivirus software and the security feature may block a system restore, so disabling the virus and the threat protection could help. So we can turn off the real-time protection, and if you are using other antivirus software, disabling them and see if the system restore works. Volume Shadow Copy Service is a service on Windows used to create backup copies or snapshots of computer files and volumes. System restore may fail if the service is not enabled. So here's how to enable the Volume Shadow Copy Service. You need to press Windows and R keys to launch the Run dialog box and type in services.msc and click the OK button. Now you need to locate the Volume Shadow Copy service from the list and double-click on it. Check the status. If the status is stopped, you need to choose Automatic and tap on the Start button. Now click Apply and OK. After that, you need to restart your PC and see if the system restore works. Hard disk and file system errors on your computer may lead to the failure of system restore. CHKDSK is a command line utility that can be used to scan and fix hard disk errors on Windows. To run the CHKDSK utility, you need to open the Windows search box and type in CMD and choose Run as Administrator. After the command window is opened, input the command and replace X with the actual drive letter and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. After that, you need to restart your PC and see if the system restore works. Corrupted or missing system files could make a system restore fail, and the System File Checker on Windows can help you check and repair the corrupted system files. You need to type CMD into the Windows search box and choose Run as Administrator. After the command window is opened, input the sfc scan now command and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. After the scanning and the repair is finished, you need to restart your PC and see if you can complete a system restore. Safe mode in Windows is a special diagnostic startup mode that loads the operating system with a minimal set of drivers and services to help troubleshoot software, driver, or malware issues. Safe mode makes it possible to solve the errors that cause a system restore to fail. To run the safe mode, you need to press the Windows and the R keys on your keyboard to launch the Run Dialog box and type in msconfig and click the OK button. Now go to the Boot tab and check Save Boot. Click Apply and OK. Now you need to restart your PC. After the Windows PC is restarted, you can go to the System Properties window and to perform the system restore.